Gabriel Pinto, ex-chief engineer and vice president of Goan Cement Association of India. It's really very disheartening to see the crisis that our seafaring community is facing today. I mean, it is so, I'm not even getting the word. It is so disheartening to see that nobody is coming forward to help our seafaring community, knowing the fact that their livelihood is at risk. Most of it, Dr. Philip has already said. What are the repercussions? What are the end result of not giving them the vaccine within a shorter period of time? Medically, Dr. Philip has already said that if you give the vaccine within 4 to 6 weeks, there are no ill effects on it. So if there are no ill effects on it, we urge the government, Goa government, to bring it to the central government and reduce this gap of 12 weeks to 4 to 6 weeks. Because every now and then we have heard on the television or on the newspaper that our Goa government is very much interested in saving the livelihood of the people. Now this is another great opportunity for the government to help our Goan community, which is a big percentage of our Goan community who are depending on this shipping lines. So if they are taking this opportunity to save this livelihood of the people, they have to do this on the topmost priority. So I urge the government to tell him the urgency of taking this issue of reducing the gap from 12 weeks to 4 to 6 weeks. And please understand the condition of the seafarers who are really going through right now. So once again, not to repeat what Dr. Philip has said, please, Dr. Pramod Sawant, CM of Goa, we request you, help our seafarers to get their livelihood, to get their jobs back. As it is, we are really having a crisis of not having jobs. Please let us not lose the job people who already have it. So help us to retain the job that the boys have, and please help them to reduce this time from 12 weeks to 4 to 6 weeks. That's my humble request to the government of Goa. Thank you.